Hi everyone, this is Garima Pradhan, and today I'm going to share how you can take a decision when you're stuck between family and lover. Right? Tough call, real tough call. Now let's begin. Now the topic says stuck between family and lover. Will I leave myself or will I leave none? So, in this topic, I'm going to tell you when you are always stuck between this equation of family and lover, how you can just come out of it. Okay, first thing is that you just have to believe and trust yourself as well as Ganesha that he heard a conversation you did not hear about. Okay, you might be thinking the guy or the girl is good for you, but you might not be aware that the girl and the guy is talking shit about you behind your back. And they are just talking good in front of your eyes to get you for some gains, for some stardom, but deep down they might not be for you. So God heard a conversation that you did not hear. Believe him. If he is removing somebody out of your life, let him do that. Don't question or ask him, why are you doing this to me? Always understand God brought you to life and he is capable of taking that life. So if he has given you something tough, or if it's taking something away from your palm, he's going to replace it with a blessing. Just trust that. Okay? Second, don't leave yourself. If you think I should leave myself because I cannot leave my lover, hold yourself strong. Because understand, before that lover also you had a life. How can you just shift and just behave immaturely? What is immature love here? Immature love is totally being uh, like circling around a life and saying that this is my priority. A human cannot be a priority, please understand that. We can have family buckets, we can have buckets, family buckets, lover, we can have career bucket, we can have n number of buckets, but you cannot place your life around a person. Because if you are circling a life around a person, you are stating to God, I am immature, I am not clever enough or mature enough to understand that love is about setting other person free and not keeping in a circle. Okay, that person is free, they can keep anybody first and you will not shout at them for that. That's love. It's not about keeping each other first and then saying, oh, we are in love. No, that is not love. That is immature act, childish behavior. Okay, because you both had a life before you chose to be together. You cannot just give up on that, and any person should never give up on that. Okay, because if you think only a lover can do everything for you, just understand you have to feed your stomach, you have to survive a family, you have to have a future with that person. For everything you need funds. Only talent won't take you ahead. Okay, with talent you need to have a strategy that will take you ahead. So if you just circle around your life to a person, you will just cut your own wings with your own hands. And the day women understand this, that their life doesn't revolve around a man, that will be the day you will be truly free. Okay? Now, third point. Leave it to God. Okay? Leave it to God, let him plan your destiny. He is the best destiny planner. We have heard about event planners. He is the best person for destiny planners. God. God is the best destiny planner. Yeah. Okay. Fourth, believe that the better things are coming, and that is why lesser important things are falling apart. Okay. If you are not settling down with the guy you thought you will be, and you both are falling apart, it's because the best one have to come together. So the better ones have to walk away. Okay. Only then the space would be generated for the right one. Right? Fifth, God will always and always replace your hand with a bigger blessing. Just trust that. Okay? Whenever you feel like I am in a big dilemma of taking a choice, it's because God is not wanting you to take a choice there. He is giving you a situation to make the other person understand that you cannot put somebody in a situation of choices. Okay, if somebody has two priorities, like there is their person as well as their family as well as their career, so there can never be a choice of what is first. Everything is important here. It depends on situation. If your career demands you to come first and give it attention, it has to come first that day. At that day, your partner or your family cannot say just you cannot put that first. You have to. And then there will be vice versa days when there will be family first because of emergency situation or because of XYZ reasons that they are ill or they need attention. All right. Attention in terms of illness, not in terms of taking away you for XYZ reasons, right? that's that's something basic. So at that point of time, that family would be coming first, and rest things will be going down. So that's a list that keeps shuffling. So nothing can be first always, right? Not the man, not the career, not the family. Everything will shuffle as per the decision, as per the situation, as per the planning of Ganesha. So you have to be wise about it and don't behave immaturely here. Oh, I have to be first. You cannot be. Okay, then. This was all on this topic. If you still have any questions or more clarifications needed, you can still reach me out. And that was all about this topic, how you can be okay with this situation and deal it maturely. Okay, that was all on this topic. Hope it was helpful. If it was, you know what you have to do. Do drop your comments. I would love to hear from you. Okay, bye bye.